Hey guys, my name is Mary and I have been involved in trading for quite a while to share my knowledge with someone else. That's why I created this YouTube channel. If you want to participate in trading sessions with me and receive signals from me, then subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Today I will conduct several successful trades. If you like it, join my YouTube and Telegram channel where I provide accurate entry signals. Well, let's start the trading session. I have already found an interesting situation that is worth paying attention to. It's the euro and British pound currency pair. We can see a strong support zone on it, which has been tested several times. However, what concerns me is the accumulation phase that is currently occurring on the chart. This accumulation could break out at any moment. Therefore, the best course of action now would be to wait and observe the price to understand where it will move next. In general, the situation is such that strong zones have formed both above and below, with a resistance zone above and a support zone below, and the price is simply moving between these zones. Since the last rebound occurred from the bottom, we can enter a 3-minute trade with $300 on the upside. I wanted to wait for the price to retrace a bit before entering on the upside. However, there was no expected retracement and the recent candles were very small. So I believe that the price will slowly move towards the upper resistance zone now. I think this will happen within 2 minutes, maybe longer, but overall the price will confidently move upward. The initial impulses from the support are good. I just need 3-4 more such impulses and that's it. The trade will close with a profit. Well, let's wait for its completion. There are only 2 minutes left. Only 10 seconds remain. The trade is about to close with a confident profit, and I don't believe that anything unexpected will happen in the last second, causing me to incur a loss from a sudden downward movement. In general, everything is going as expected. Here's the expected profit. I made $267 from this trade. Overall, it has been a good day because prior to this I made only one loss, but all the other trades have been profitable and it inspires me. Let's see what other situations we have on different currency pairs. I already remember where I saw something interesting. First, let's look at the euro and Great British pound currency pair. I have mixed signals about it because we can go both long and short, nothing certain, so I will skip this currency pair and instead look at the British pound against the Canadian dollar. Here too, we have an interesting situation with the price near a support zone. If the price breaks it now, I will go short. There is also an option to go long if the price doesn't break the support zone now. For now, I lean towards the price breaking it. There is a triangle forming on the chart. Although it looks distorted, still, well, even though it's distorted, we can take a risk and go long. After all, the price has rebounded before. I'll prepare our British pound and Canadian dollar currency pair and enter a long trade. It looks fine on the lower time frame. If we use our imagination, we can indeed call this situation a triangle. But I have more faith in the support zone than the triangle, so I entered the trade, but now I have to wait a little over 2 minutes and let's see our result. I opened another trade for $600. Why did I open another one? Because the price approached the support zone directly. I was prompted by the very weak volatility, meaning the size of the candles and the pace of price movement. Currently, we have a very weak market with very low volatility. In such a situation, there may simply not be enough time for a strong bounce, and those 2-3 PIPs will play a role. So I'm protecting myself from losses. The price came close to the support zone where other traders are buying, so I opened another long trade. It's my backup plan. I don't believe the price will break the support because I don't believe in breakthrough at all. But it seems like the rebound has started, so let's wait for the last 2 minutes and continue. Well, let's look at the next currency pairs. Maybe something interesting has formed already. On the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair, by the way, there is also something. Here on the chart, we can see a small downward trend, and there is currently an accumulation happening. Moreover, the price is now at the upper boundary of the accumulation channel. Overall, here we can go short and comfortably make a profit. Let's open the US dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair. And here, there is also a pleasant payout percentage. We still need to find confirmations. Alright, why do I want to go short? Firstly, here on the chart, oh boy, it's a definite downward movement. There is a really strong decline happening here. Look, globally, the chart has been falling for quite some time, and there is also a significant local decline. Secondly, here we have a resistance zone, and the nearest support zone is located quite low. And the price is currently moving in a channel from support zone to the resistance zone. By the way, what's happening with the trade on the British pound and Canadian dollar currency pair? Cool. First trade for $300 will close in a profit in a few seconds. And I still have an overlapping trade that should also close in a profit in about 15 seconds. That's cool because I will earn a decent amount from this. From the first profitable trade, I will earn over $200. And from the second trade, I will earn twice as much, around $500. Yes, I'll make over $700 from this. Actually, even more than 700. I like it when both the main trade and the overlapping trade are successful. It's like a Christmas gift. So it turns out that the short on USD and Canadian dollar is no longer important. Even if this trade closes in a loss, which could happen, analysis is never 100% accurate. There are different things in the market, including losses. But even if this trade closes in a loss, I have already covered that loss in practice. From the $600 trade, I earned a profit of $528. So if I now lose $300, I will simply slightly reduce my today's profit, which is already significant. So let's calmly wait for the outcome. Well, the trade will most likely close in a loss. I don't like that. I don't like ending the trading session with a losing trade. To not spoil our picture and finish the session on a high note, I will open an overlapping trade for $600 for 5 minutes. Why 5 minutes and not 3? Because I want to give myself a small time buffer during which the price can move upward. If we look at the previous high for this period, the previous peak, the downward bounce occurred within 5 candles. Approximately 1 minute after the peak, the price rebounded downward. That's why I'm taking a small time buffer in case the price falls below the entry point from a new high. Nevertheless, the situation is quite cool. I got 4 profitable trades and 1 losing trade. That's excellent. And now we'll just wait. There are 20 seconds left until the trade closes, even a little less, maybe 15 seconds. The overlapping trade is entering profit beautifully. Choosing 5 minutes was the right decision because if I had chosen 3 minutes, I would have been quite nervous during those green candles. During the first 2 minutes, the price was just stagnant, and it only started to decline significantly in the 3rd minute. Always consider time. When trading binary options, it's important to choose the right time. If there is a possibility of such price movements where the trade closes in a loss, not because you analyzed poorly or entered poorly, but simply due to bad luck, it's better to take 5 minutes with a buffer, maybe even 6, possibly 7, or even up to 10 minutes. It's better to be extra cautious and take an extra minute to protect yourself from random losses. I appreciate your time and interest in watching this video. If you found it enjoyable, I would greatly appreciate your support by giving it a thumbs up. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel to stay informed about the future content. By becoming a part of our community, we can build a friendship and have more discussions. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.